Pull the toy. Get it, Lil. Oh, whoa, you dancing? You gonna play with Lou? Are you too tired?
Okay, you should see her eyes. They're like nearly low in the back of her head.
What are you doing?
You gonna go get Lou? Go get Lou. Sneak attack Lou.
Careful.
Can you come down? Please?
Jump on the floor.
Dance on the floor, Lily. Not on the couch.
Shaking your tushy? You gonna play with Lou? Come play with
Lou!
Lou. Where'd you go? You playing pull?
Oh!